Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how AI is transforming restoration companies, HVAC firms, and service businesses nationwide. Be mightiest. Rise with better intelligence for your business and for your soul. I'm Isaac Voss, and here on YouTube, I unlock two worlds. Harness AI for unstoppable business growth at Isaac Voss Business, and transcend AI for your body, mind, and soul at Isaac Voss Prophecy. Subscribe to both, and let's build kingdom impact together.
Blue 42 AI.
Dynamic story.
For years, success in this industry came down to manpower, advertising, and reputation. But in 2025, that's no longer enough. AI is delivering 6- and 7-figure revenue boosts, cutting operational costs by more than a third, and ensuring that no call, no lead, and no customer ever slips through the cracks. If you're not using AI right now, your competitor probably is. Let's get real. Have you ever missed a call late at night or on a weekend? Be honest. How many times have those calls turned into lost jobs? Or poorly managed calls? Here's the reality. 27% of service calls come after business hours, and too many companies just aren't picking up. That's more than $10,000 in lost revenue every month for the average service company. And customers don't wait. 62% will simply call the next company on Google or AI search if you don't answer in 3 minutes or less. This isn't about convenience anymore. It's about survival. Every missed call could have been your next biggest client. Now, let's zoom out. Why do service businesses struggle in the first place? A 24/7 availability gap. People expect immediate responses. A bottleneck on reviews. Staff can't keep up with follow-ups, or they just don't ask for reviews, or they don't do it well, which tanks local SEO. And repetitive Q&A questions, chewing up hours that should be spent on real service. Here's a stat that matters. 70% of restoration leaders are already adopting AI. So the question is, will you lead, or will you be left chasing those who do? AI is the game changer. AI changes everything. It's like having a supercharged team member who never sleeps, never forgets, and never takes days off. Think about it. Always on service, instant lead capture, a consistent and personalized customer experience, and here's the kicker, a 35 to 40% reduction in operating costs. It's not just automation, it's transformation. Meet the power trio. The Q&A agent, the review harvesting agent, and the 24/7 phone reception agent. Let's talk about Q&A agent. This filters out your tire kickers, answers customer questions instantly, and frees your staff from repetitive inquiries. Our review harvesting agent, she collects reviews automatically, tripling your Google and Yelp presence, pushing you higher in search results. Our 24/7 phone reception agent books jobs in real time and prioritizes emergencies, making sure you never miss a $10,000 call again. Together, these three agents form the backbone of AI automation for service companies. Imagine your customer gets answers at midnight about pricing, services, or emergency timelines. No more staff scrolling through scripts. AI pulls from your own knowledge base and delivers 95% accurate answers in seconds. That means your team gets back 70% of their time to focus on real, billable work. Did you know companies using our review harvesting agent see 3 times the number of reviews? And they don't just get more reviews, they get better reviews, with average ratings increasing 27%. More reviews means higher Google rankings, more visibility, and more leads. And let's talk about 24/7 reception. We all know, folks, this is the lifesaver. AI captures every call, identifies urgent jobs, and pushes them directly into your CRM. Some companies save $5,000 to $8,000 or more per month, just in reception staffing and after hours, etc. That's pure profit. Plus peace of mind that every emergency is answered, and answered well. Let's look at real numbers. Case study 1, a water damage company. Before AI, a full phone staff cost of many thousands of dollars a month. 12 leads a week or less, and just 8 reviews a month at best. After AI, a 40% cost reduction, leads doubled in 60 days, and reviews tripled. Let's take a look at another case study. Let's look at a sample HVAC company. Before AI, response times averaging 8 minutes, missing 32% of after-hours calls. After AI, 15-second responses, 0% missed calls, 22 reviews a month, and a 38% revenue boost. That's the kind of transformation we're talking about. So, the 6-month decision. Here's the fork in the road. Companies with AI are experiencing 91% revenue growth on average, 330% ROI in just 6 to 12 months. Actually, 6 months is the official number. 73% report positive returns within 6 months. Companies without AI, well, 42% abandon digital projects entirely. They lose market share, and their technology gap only widens. The next 6 months will determine who thrives and who fades out. Let's talk about trends and customer expectations. AI adoption is skyrocketing. 33% of companies in 2023, and now over 71% of companies using AI, adopting AI. Customers are driving this. 84% say chatbots are now critical to customer communication, and 70% are perfectly comfortable with AI handling routine service inquiries. In other words, this isn't optional anymore. It's the new baseline for service. Let's discuss technical integration. Let me break down the myth. AI is hard to implement. Reality? It's plug and play if you have the right technology and you've got people who know what they're doing with the AI. We integrate with Jobber and Service Titan and Google Reviews and SMS and IVR systems, all the tools you're already using. Setup takes weeks, not months. No coding required on your end. Let me give you a visual of how AI agents work. First off, customer inquiry comes in. You then have the AI agent processes. It books jobs, it routes emergencies, and then it logs everything into your system. It's seamless. Let's talk about AI SEO and lead conversion. This is where it gets fun. AI powers your SEO automatically. When done right with our recipes, blogs targeting long-tail keywords, FAQ schema for featured snippets, video optimization for YouTube, and automated review pipelines, wow, that turn every 5-star rating into marketing gold. On top of that, the chatbot lead capture triples form completion rates, qualifies leads, and follows up automatically. No more cold leads drifting away. Not ever. Let's talk about ROI and market impact. The data does not lie. A 60% cut in office labor costs. Double the lead conversion rate. Higher search rankings from automated reviews. $10,000 in monthly savings. This is why 71% of businesses are now deploying generative AI. This is happening right now, not someday. Let's talk about an implementation roadmap. Here's how we roll this out. Week 1, we do an audit and we do the planning. Week 2, your first agent goes live, sometimes week 3, usually the phone reception agent. Weeks 4 to 8, We refine and enhance, and then we add review harvesting. We do Q&A. We add integrating systems and training your team. And then it's ongoing. Real-time dashboards, monthly reviews, continuous ROI tracking. That's how you go from missed calls and bottlenecks to a fully automated revenue machine. Restoration owners and HVAC leaders nationwide are already doubling leads and slashing costs. The only question is, will you adapt or will your competitor outpace you? Book a consultation today at WaterMitigation.ai or go to isaacvoss.com. And let's make sure you're on the winning side of this transformation. Be mightiest. Rise with better intelligence for your business and for your soul. Today's insight is just one step in the journey of rising with better intelligence. For those building businesses, isaacvoss.com and WaterMitigation.ai are your gateways for growth. For those seeking wholeness in body, mind, and soul, the community at mightiest.com is waiting for you. Both paths meet here as unique channels at Isaac Voss Business and Isaac Voss Prophecy. Choose your lane or walk in both. Your best season is ahead. Until next time, be mightiest. Be mightiest.